Hello everyone, welcome to this live. Okay, first of all, I would like to know about the audio quality. Okay, because previously I used YouTube Studio's web application for doing live. This time I'm using OBS because I need to show the screens. Okay, so just let me know about audio quality, and then I will start doing the live. Okay. And if there are any broken links in the description of this video, just let me know. This live is for telling about this motivational course calendar application. Okay, let me start the live. Okay, and actually this calendar generator we started showing here a few years back itself, but recently I added new features. Okay, so first of all, I would like to get the error reporting. So if you are seeing any kind of error or any inconvenience in using that application, just let me know. Okay, let me just start showing it first. Okay, so you can access it by loading this URL, the course.net course /calendar/calendar.php, and you can come to this page from this product page. So just from any of our websites, you can just click this QPT products. For example, if you are coming from here, click the products. Okay, and then click motivational calendar generator. Okay, so it should be showing it. Okay, and um, uh, you can use it on mobile also, but I haven't tested fully, but I would suggest to use it on browsers, web browsers, on desktop. Okay, you can share your feedback about your usage on mobile devices. Okay. So this one, it is like I would like to talk as a two parts. Okay, one is for anyone who want to use this application for creating custom calendars. Okay, so another one is for business people. Okay, so first let me start with the general thing. Okay, so this calendar application is very simple and straightforward. So just you have to choose 13 images here. By default it will be selected 13 images, and if you want to change that images, you have to uncheck one image to add another image. Okay, so at the end of the process, it should be having only 13 images. Okay, if you choose more than 13, it will give error. Similarly, if you choose less than 13, it will give error. One image for the cover and 12 images for the months. Okay, that is the first thing. And if you don't like the images shown on the screen, you can click the refresh change images. So just make sure that you are doing it at first. Okay, so if you do some changes and then you are clicking refresh, means your changes will be lost. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. So just click refresh changes. Okay, it will show we are having a lot of images, and if you want to show, I mean, see the picture, just click on it. It will show that. Okay, almost all the images are like motivational quotes images. Okay, and I thought of creating different kind of topics. Okay, say for example, some people may be interested in Bible versus calendar, right? So I thought of doing that, but later on I decided to sell it as a script, because it is very difficult to maintain various images as topics, right? So apart from providing this free calendar generator application, I'm selling it as a script also, with the source code. You can get the software, and you can set up it on your own as server or website. Okay. um, so I will explain it later. Okay. So for creating the calendar, you have to first come to this page and choose the images. By default, it will be having 13 images selected, and if you don't like any kind of images, you can just uncheck it, and instead of that, you have to add another image. Okay. So ultimately, you need to choose your favorite 13 images here. I thought of providing option to upload users' own images. Actually, I am having that part, but I provided it only for admin part, because if I allow them, I don't know what kind of problems I may face, because many years back I allowed lots of user-generated contents in the forum and images, greetings card like that. But managing, moderating that kind of activities is really tough. Okay, from content perspective as well as server security perspective. So I thought of restricting that only for admins. And if you want to have your own setup, you can buy the script and you can just install it. Okay, it is a simple PHP MySQL only. It's a core thing. All are open sources, so you need not buy any other additional thing for using it. Almost all the web hosting companies are providing Linux hosting services that are coming with PHP support. Very less prices they are providing. Okay, so just you can set up. If you are already having your server, you can just buy the script and you can install it. Otherwise, you can just get a plan and just install it. Okay, it's a very straightforward thing. I will explain it later. For creating the calendar, you have to first choose the images, and if you don't like the images, you have to refresh it, and if you don't like any particular image, you can uncheck it, and then you can replace it with other image by checking that image. Okay, that is the core thing. Right now I'm showing only 30 images here. Okay, so I thought of showing many images, but it will be creating loading problems, right? So mostly I want to keep everything simple. Okay, suppose if you want to see other images, you can use this reference option. Okay, so mostly from out of 30 images, you can easily choose 13 images. Okay, so I don't think it's a problem, but anyway, you can share your feedback and suggestions. If you if you want to increase the number of images, I can change it. Okay, but I don't know whether it will be suitable for all the people of having various level of internet performance. Okay, so I need to consider that perspective also. Okay, this is about choosing images. Okay, and next thing is that year 2024, right? And if you want to include the holiday list, you can choose US for including the US holiday, India for India holiday. Okay, and if you don't want to include the holidays, you can choose none. Okay, so again, if you want to show your country's holiday, you can buy the script and you can run it on your server. Okay, and actually we started doing it from 2003. So for US and India, you can use it for previous years also. Last 3 years we were not using it, but this year I updated the script as well as added the holiday list. Okay, that is about holiday. So, and mostly that is one thing. Okay, but the key advantage of this calendar is you can create your own events. Say for example, if you are a writer, you can you will be having some plans of releasing upcoming books, right? So you can inform that to your audience by creating this calendar. Say for example, if you are planning to create book 1, the January 10th. You can choose like that. And another book, if you are planning to release on May 8th, you can do like that. Like that, you can add any number of events. Okay. Like that, you can add. Okay. In other cases, like if you're a blogger, you can tell about your schedule, or YouTuber, or even any kind of business people. They can tell about their products, or generally we can create, just to get visitors, we can create some useful calendars related to sports events, or any kind of movie releases. Okay. So, or your celebrities birthdays, it can be sports celebrities or celebrities in your field, maybe scientists, like that. Okay. Actually, previously we created a lot of such examples, but I deleted it. Actually, we did it for 2019. Okay. Because some events are changing according to the years. Okay. Even in case of actually, yesterday I created this health awareness days based on previous year's content. But when I cross-checked with the data available for 2024, a bit changing. Okay, so it's not fixed date. Okay, so something is like some particular week, like that. Okay, so it's dynamic basically. So, and you can create such calendars. It will be showing on that particular date as well as at the end. Okay. And I would like to get your feedback and suggestions, so that I can implement them in the next year version. Okay. But this year I am not going to spend more time apart from fixing any major issues. Okay. 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 So you can share this. Okay, because it is having permanent link. Our previous versions were not having that option. Okay, but this version we provided that last time itself we provided that option. That means you can share it with your friends, so that they can also view your calendars, or always you can download it as a PDF file. Okay, the why I'm telling that thing is like there is no guarantee of keeping the data for a long time. Okay. So I'm just seeing it as a demo thing only. So it is difficult to manage all the data if more number of people are going to use it. Okay. So in that case, it is always better to save as PDF also. Okay. So you can uh, share with the online using this perma link, as well as you can download it as a PDF and then print it. Okay. And another thing is, I haven't tested fully with the printing features. Okay. Because based on my previous experiences, it is very difficult to make it work with all settings. So because if we make some changes, the alignment is getting distracted. So that's how it's designed, right? It is not web or not printing, so we have to consider both things. Okay. Because this coding is not written separately for PDF generation. In case of our timesheet application, we did like that only, so there is no dependency between web part and printing part. Okay. But in case of this calendar, it's somewhat complex, right? So I thought of just using the HTML content for the PDF generation. Okay. So that conversion will be done by the browser itself. Okay. So I don't have much control, but you can choose some options there. So if you are facing any difficulties in using that, say for example, you can, if you are a regular PDF user or taking printouts, so you will be knowing the things, right? I'm not much familiar with that. Okay. So and again, it will be varying based on different platforms, right? So if you don't want the headers, you can uncheck it. Okay, that's what. Now it will be very clean. Okay, so that is all about that. Maybe I can show one actual thing. And you can do the branding. This is the key part. So business people can make use of this opportunity. Okay, so just creatively think about some good idea of creating useful calendars, and then just include your name. So if you're not including your name, it will take the default name, the course.net. You can use your branding, your website, or your company name, or your name. Okay, and then you can click the generate calendar. It will generate the thing. Okay, so just make sure that you are choosing 13 images. Okay, and then click generate calendar. So it will be generated immediately. Okay, so when you use the print, these other things won't appear. Okay, it will show only calendar, but here you can use the menu, other stuff. Okay, if you want to see the samples, you can click this. If you want to go back to generate another thing, you can click this back button. Okay, and if you want to share it, you can share it, because as I said, it is having permalink, so you can confidently share. Okay, so now it is showing the events, and it's showing the brand. Okay, and at the end it is showing that list. Okay, so now you can print it. This is about uh, generating or using this calendar application. It's simple and straightforward. Okay, and if you are finding any error, just let me know. If it is a major error, I will be fixing it. Otherwise, I will be making note of it, and I will be implementing in the next version. Okay, so you can just explore a lot of options of creating various calendars. Okay, um, you can create, it's based on your field or domain. Okay, you can just in case you're uh, liking gadgets, you're running blogs related to gadgets updates, you can create a calendar related to Apple event, Google event, Google I/O, like that, right? So mostly they're announcing the date previously. Okay, so that is one thing. And the other thing is you can make use of this application for showcasing your achievements. Okay, you can create previous year's calendars, but right now I haven't provided that option, because I haven't included the 2023, because that calendar list is not loaded. Maybe I will be, if many people are requesting that feature, I will be considering adding it. Otherwise, you can just buy the script. Right now I'm just selling it for $15 only. You can do any kind of changes on your own server. Okay, you can create, upload your own images. Okay, you can mark the images with your website address, branding. So it will be mostly based on my previous experiences. Mostly people tend to share it. Okay, last year, I mean, not exactly last time when we used that, based on my observation, I haven't gone through fully, just by taking cursory look. I came to know that a lot of people are using in different ways. Okay, mostly school teachers are using it for their school events. That's what my observation from the database data. Okay, but I'm not taking any other data. So whatever data showing here, I'm just including it, and so I don't have option to do the analysis fully. Okay, but by seeing the brand name and even the dates and names, I could understand that. Okay, so this script, I mean this application, you can use it without any registration. Okay, there is no registration as of now, but if I face any difficulties in managing it because of misuse of this application, I may go with registration, maybe simple registration. Okay, even for uploading the images, I provided very simple option only. Just we have to provide the password, then we can upload it. Okay. um, Actually I thought of providing that option to everyone, so that we can get a lot of images, but I don't have enough time to moderate all the things. Okay, if I'm straightforward allowing means a lot of spam images will be flooded, so I have to moderate it, but I don't want to spend time right now. Okay. But in the coming years I'll be doing that kind of task. Okay. But right now my primary focus is selling as a script. That will be very easy for me. I don't need to spend more time. Just I can sell the script. Okay, so I provided the details here about selling the script. Okay, you can go through it. Actually normally mostly I used to write my own blog post, but for this blog post I used AI things for creating this, so it won't be in my own way of writing. Okay. Because I'm not good in writing this kind of promotional things. Okay. But anyway, if you have any questions, if you need any details, just let me know. Okay. And as I mentioned here, we are providing with source code, so there is no question about refund is not applicable. Okay. It's very simple script. There is no options to add holidays and countries from the screen. Okay, the admin is having the ability to upload only the images. Okay, but it is very straightforward, but for initial thing it is enough based on my understanding. Okay, so you have to just buy the script, do the setup is also simple. Just you have to set the the database configuration and specify your admin password. Okay. And then you can start using it. First you have to upload the images, at least 13 images, and then you can start using it. Okay. So that is enough for the basic things, but if you want to add calendars for your own country, in that case there is no option to do it from screen, and similarly you cannot delete the image from the screens. Okay, but in the database you can just remove it. Okay, so that's the thing, but mostly you can easily manage it. If you are having some development knowledge, you can easily manage it. Otherwise you can hire me based on the hourly charges. Okay, I can do it for you. Or if you want to have any other additional add additional features, I can do it. Actually previously I put on hold of doing this kind of custom changes or any kind of web development. I talked about many times previously. I'm just slowly moving from web development business into like media kind of business, publishing books and like running channels like science and technology related stuff. Okay, and create running a platform for connecting scientists and entrepreneurs. I thought of doing some conferences stuff, but I now temporarily I have to change my plans because I explained it previously, right? That YouTube channel that I cannot show advertisements there. So time being I will be doing web development business, but for time only for limited number of customers who are really like suitable to work with me. Okay, so I explained everything in here. I explained the details here. Okay, and hourly charges, I'm planning to charge a very less amount, but as I said, it's temporary only. I won't work more than few hours. Okay, so I have to manage both things. I need to update our other products, and I am actively selling my ebooks. You can check all the products. Okay. This ebook I recently released, that ebook, Dream Big. Okay, so it is available in Amazon also, print pro as a print. So it will be I believe it will be suitable for giving as a Christmas gift. I just provide that paperback. Okay, and you can check my other books also. Okay, so the emerging technologies book, that also I released Amazon, but I would suggest to buy it from my blog itself, so that you can get it for low price. Okay, that's all about this, and I will be checking questions. Okay, uh, Donna is saying that this looks beautiful. Okay, thanks Donna, thanks very much. Okay, thanks for your comment. Okay, and if there are any negative feedback, just let me know that also. Okay, so that I can correct that. Okay, this time period I am expecting more critical or negative feedback, so that I can uh, fix it, and then I can start promoting it. Okay, thanks. So that's all from my side. Okay, so I'm expecting the feedback, and if you like it, and if you are creating any calendars, just share it with me, and you can share it with your social media friends also. Thanks.